Hi, I'm Faith, and today is day 20 of Flylady's 31 baby steps for getting your home and life in order. We'll continue working on our previous habits for our morning and before bed routines. I made sure to list all of the steps down in the description. Today, we'll be adding another step to our morning or before bed routine, and it's to do a load of laundry. A load a day will keep that mountain of laundry from overwhelming you, which means that we have to have a system in place where we collect all of the laundry, whether it's in your laundry room or in the closet. I personally keep our laundry sorted in their own individual laundry baskets in my closet. This way, I can sort my clothes right away, and whenever the baskets start to fill up, that's the basket that I grab to throw in the washer. Our new habit that we need to work on is to complete all the steps for doing laundry, which is to sort, wash, dry, fold, and put it away. This doesn't mean that you need to wash all of the laundry today. We just need to do one load per day so we can start getting into the habit of completing all of the steps for doing laundry. This step is from Flylady Diane, and she mentions that we don't have to do a load of laundry in the morning if we don't have time in the morning. We just need to make sure to put it in our control journal to do. Whether it's in the morning or in the evening, just make sure to complete all 5 of the steps. And make sure you time yourself next time you do a load of laundry. You'll be surprised how fast you can fold and put away a load of laundry per day. Click the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.